My name's Martin Jones. I'm the Technical Sales Manager for WSM Plastics Limited. We're a company that manufacture bespoke plastic parts through many industries, from airline industry through to drink water softener industries. We've been working with PES now for the last 11 years, and they're now a preferred supplier to us for all our electrical services needs throughout the group companies. We use PES because of the service they provide us. Their service is unfounded and untouched by anybody else. To give an example, Daryl himself, who's the director of PES, was travelling to a wedding fair the other week when we had an electrical fault, turned his car around within an hour, was in our factory. So it's a service you just can't beat, and we're not prepared to look at anyone else. The diamond service that PES offers us is just too good to go anywhere else. With this latest project that we've done, before we started, we got Daryl in and showed him the floor designs of what we were trying to achieve. And took advice from Daryl on where was best to put the electrical points, the power services, the three-phase, single-phase, and also how best to do the install safely. Daryl's knowledge of the electrical industry was unfounded, and his help was great right at the very beginning of the project and all the way through the project. So much so that we actually made Daryl our principal contractor for this project. And put all services through him to manage us for us. Project came through on time, on budget, and it was just a great service to get from him. The work that they've carried out has been seamless. We've had absolutely no issues whatsoever with anything they've done, even to the point where we've actually done design changes last minute, and it was never too much for the guys. They've just cracked on with the job and changed what we've changed, which is down to us and our design changes evolving throughout the project. And like I say, their work is fantastic, and it's never too much for anything to ask of them. Value for money, yes, brilliant. With Daryl being involved at the beginning of the project, he was able to advise us on designing the plant for future growth, and by this Daryl advised us to put services in that we could be easily disconnected and moved to accommodate any growth, without the need for us to have a complete factory refit in 2 years' time when we aim to grow again. And by doing that, yeah, we got extreme value for money because Daryl was the principal contractor, did a lot of the design work for us and advised us on the systems to put in, which we'd never used before. Standard and finishing of work, superb. You wouldn't have even known that PES were on site most of the time. They clean up after themselves, they work diligently. You ask them to work in one particular area, you go back to check the work the following day and you wouldn't even know they were in the area apart from the new services appearing on the wall. Everything is exactly where it should be. It's installed exactly how it should be. It's symmetrical. It's in straight lines. It's superb. Would I recommend PES? Without a doubt, yes. For everything I've said in this video, their workmanship, their dedication to the customer, their customer service, their on-time delivery is just fantastic, and I'd have no hesitation in recommending them for any work, either industrial, domestic, personal, or for a corporation. Yeah, no problem at all.